Hello everyone, in this video of Blender we are going to make further things in the, or we can say that we are going to work on the project of Oggy house. Okay, so let's in this video we are going to create the first we are going to create the garage house of Oggy. Let me match this. Okay, using plane, as you can see here it is. I will rotate it in Y 90 degree, then I will scale it down, then make it a little bit upward here. Then we will match the Oggy house here. Okay, we will create here. Let's create. So I will scale down to match this. You can see now scale a little bit down, move the plane upward. You can see this is we are going to do. Then we will scale it in y-axis. Then we will go to tap mode. Then we will press G. Then Z. Okay. Then we will press G and Y here to match this. As we have matched this, now what we will do? We will we will create this as square. Means what we will do? We will select all this, then we will press E here, then we will move it beside it at the side. Then what we will do here? We will hide this. Now we will head and plane, scale it down. Okay. Then we will rotate it by pressing R. Then in y-axis we will rotate it. Then R45 press. As you will press R45, you will get a diamond shape. So we will match this. Okay, G, Z. We are going to match this. I think there's problem some, so we'll solve it. This is for scale. Let's do 0 first. Now I want to rotate it in y-axis 90. Then we will rotate this in z-axis. Sorry, let me think. Just at y. So let's see. We will rotate it in x-axis at 45. You can see I have done this. Now we will match this shape. Okay, I have selected this plane. I put this here. You can see now what I will do. I will move it forward a little. Now we can match it from here. We will go to edge selection mode. Then I will place this edge here. As you can see on screen, I am matching the things. Okay, I have matched. Then we will move it upward. Now this is perfect. Then we will move downward this. Then we will match the point. Again we will do this here. Now we have achieved the perfect shape. Okay, but I didn't like this. You can achieve the shape like this, but I want simple shape that we create. Okay, so let's do let's work with this. Select this, or we can scale it in z-axis, then scale down in y-axis like that to achieve the shape. We can also do that, but what I want is I will match the I will not match the shape. I will create my own shape. Okay, so as you can see, I am creating this here. Then we will press Shift T, then remove it. I think I was pressing. Let me duplicate it. GX. Then we will press GY. Then here it is. Shift R. I will press for repeat. I have created a design. Now what we will do? We will paste this design on our door. Okay. So I will select the door. Let me select this Alt H. Here I will select these three. Then I will press Control I for ensure. So not this. I want to edit. So I will select also this. This. Control I H. I have hide all the things which are in our scene. Where and here it is. So what we will do? What we will do? We will we will select the let's rename these before T1 T 2, press F2, then press T, 2, then enter. Okay, then there should must be one another. Let me see. It's okay. It's fine. Where are the, let me see. Let's see. It is, what is its name? Let's change this name. T3. Okay. So what I will do, I will select the cube or door which we made. We will also rename this as door. Okay. As we have renamed this, now we will go to edit mode. Here we will select all this. Then we will select T1. Then we will find here in mesh knife project. Okay. There's a catch. Go to x-axis. Now from here do this. Okay. In mesh, go to knife, do knife project. Then again same thing, but this time select T2 and T3 together for doing this. Then press mesh, then knife project. Now this work has been done. Now we will hide this, hide this, hide this, and see that how our design has been created. And remove the remaining or extra vertices. Okay, we will do this. So here, in these we will fill color. Let's see which color we are going to fill. Light blue it is. Okay. So let's make here. Select these. Then we will select light blue here. Okay. First we will go to material. Then we will get another one. Then we will assign this. Okay. Now here we will select this for them. Okay. As you can see, this is okay. Perfect. Now the remaining part. Okay. We will select this. Select. Then press Ctrl I. As you can see, we have pressed Ctrl I. Then what we will do, we will go to our main material, then assign this, then we will select dark color, little bit dark color to be differentiated. As you can see, let's see is it matching or not. Yeah, it is matching, but what we want them to be inset. I think I have forgotten the name, so let's see the name. First search here, door. It is, you can see we have searched for door. Now we will press I here to create boundary. As you can see, we have created the boundary. Then we will press new and create new texture. We will assign the new material on the boundaries. You can see we have assigned. Let me assign. Now you can see we have assigned the thing. Okay, this is looking imperfect because there are no other things through which we can differentiate. Okay, now we are going to make letters. Okay, so create letters. Let's create letter. So hide this part, all this. Now we are going to create ladder. We will take a cube, scale down it. We will also scale down it y-axis, x-axis. Okay, then we will move it. We will move it a little bit upward. We will match the ladder size. Let's match. Okay, here you can see we have need to scale down in z-axis. Then we will press G. Here it is correctly placed. Then we will do this. Okay, as you can see, our first ladder is ready. Okay, so now the time is of second ladder. What we will do, we will shift it, then we will move it at Z. Then we will decrease its size little, then in y-axis. I think that would be perfect, but there's a problem. Let me show you that this is not connected with another ladder. So what we will do, we will turn on snapping. Then if we will do, if we will, what's the problem? Let me see. G, let me press Control A, Alt transforms, Control A, Alt transforms. Now I think it should work perfectly. Still it is not working perfectly. GX, let's change here. We will go to we press center, then face nearest. Okay, so now it will work perfectly. I think. Let me see. We will change the origin position first. Here, now what we will do? Let me select what was the shortcut. Let me think. Or this. I think. Let me see. For side is from shift. Yeah. What we will do? We will press shift S. Then we will do cursor to select it. You can see cursor to selected is perfect. Then we will go to set origin to 3D cursor. Okay, so this is now this will work perfectly. As you can see, now the ladder has been placed exactly where we want. Okay. There are two ways to do it. I have teach you before. If you have not seen the video, I will recommend you to watch it for better understanding of this. Okay. You can also be from here. B is for making an artificial origin to which Blender will use for snapping. Okay, so we do not want it for now. So as you can see, we have created our ladder in this. Okay, now what we are going to create? Let me scale both of these a little, set their origin to geometry, then we will scale them a little. Now this is perfect. Now in this video, we are going to make the last thing, which is these colorful what the name of these things is. If you know, comment down, comment me down the name of these things. We are going to make this. I will research about them. That what are these? How we will create? Let's see. What we will do? We will add and plane them, scale them down. Okay. As you can see, we have scaled them down. Now what we will do? We will rotate them. Okay. So let's rotate them. Let's go here. Now we will rotate them. I think we should rotate them at 30 degree. Okay, you can see it is just I think too much. So what we will do? We do this here. Okay, so this is perfect. Now we will go to edge selection. Then from here we will select E. Then let me turn off snapping. Then we will select E. Then now we will level this by pressing Control Shift B. You can see Control Shift B. So this will be perfect. Okay, so you can see I created this. Now the last work of us is to create boundary. You can see somewhere is blue boundary. So we'll create this. So let's create it. What we do, we'll go to face selection mode. Then for before doing this correctly, what we will do, we will press Control A then all transforms. Now this will work correctly. Okay, done this. Now do this. You can see our work has been correctly done. So now in this video I am only making one of these. Okay, the rest of your task is to create them. Same method is I will suggest you to try and learn new things. It's easy, it's not difficult. That's why I am assigning you this task. I hope that you understand. If you are not getting the point, then don't worry. We are here. We will find the solution together. There's no worry. Okay. For now, what we'll do, we will dissolve these edges. Okay. So we'll go to dissolve edges. Now this is perfect, but again our inset has gone. So let's find some solution. So what we can do is here we can dissolve edge. I want to dissolve this edge and this edge. Again the same thing. And what we have to do, we will create another edge to keep supporting this. Let's see. I create it. Now we will create here. Now what we will do, we will select this edge and another edge near to this. Then we will merge this, pressing merge. No, this is not working perfectly, so we will merge from here. Now we can dissolve this edge. You can see because there was shortage of edges, that's why that was not happening. Now it is perfect. Now what you have to do, you have to select face mode, then this, then you will press C for circle selection, create and select it quickly. Then what we will do, we will press Shift C, Shift only. Now this is perfect. Now we will create texture for this, then we will assign it. This is white or mixture of gray. I will do it. Let's solve these phases. Delete this. Why not to delete this? Let's see. This character, but this all edges. So then here there are no edge between them to connect. That's why blender is behaving like this. What we will do? We will do this. We will press F. Then this. F we will press. And still it is not completely working. I think this is correct. Now we will assign red color to them. Okay. How to assign them? Why not to assign? Control Z all this to see the problem. So I select this now. We press F. Now the faces are polygon. So while I was unable to select if there's face that should not behave like this. Now let's control A. Transform. Now let's see if the problem solved or not. Press C. Now it has been selected all this, but I do not want this to be selected. So we have another thing. Instead of filling this, what we can do, we can use here knife tool. That would work perfectly here. K, press K, then Y. Now this is perfectly work. Yeah, let's cut here too. Okay, you can see we have cut it here. Now what we will do, we will also cut here using knife tool. Now we can work color here perfectly. Here I want color here. Here I want color here. And so we will go and assign this. Then we will select red color. We will decrease roughness metallic. We will increase to metallic. IUR decreased. Now this is the thing we will create. Now if we want to make this more little bit, make it more realistic little bit. So what we can do, we will go to edit mode, then we will select all this, then we will extrude this. So let me find extrude along this. Okay. So this we can do. Now this is looking perfect. Okay. So your task is to create this, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you learn something. If you learn and drop off Blender through this video, so don't go without subscribing this channel. Okay, so bye bye.